Hello everyone, welcome to part 21 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So we are going to continue working on the categories module, and in this video we will start working on the add edit category form. Okay, so this time we are going to do both add edit category form. Okay, add edit category functionality we are going to work on. So here we are going to display one link, add category link we are going to display, and after that we are going to display the edit link as well along with this one, and other things also we are going to display later on, like section name, upper category means main category, subcategory. Okay, that all we will do later on, but first of all we are going to work on the add edit category. Okay, so we require one form also that we are going to copy from the our admin lte template form for the first time. Okay, so that also we are going to do. So let's start. First of all we are going to display here add category link. Okay, so I am going to open this categories blade file. See earlier file I'm going to close, and we'll open the categories blade file. Okay, categories blade file, this is the file. Okay, so this one I can remove. So I can simply give the under this one I can simply give the link for add category. Okay, here I can give the link. Okay, so I will check once that how it will look like add category. Okay, so I'm going to check it once how it will look. Okay, so this one we are going to display, and we are going to display in a kind of button. Okay, classes we are going to add here. Okay, in href also we will add here. I'm going to add classes here, like bootstrap classes. I'm going to add button block. Okay, button success. Okay, this it will show the button in green. Okay, so we will going to check. Oh, okay, so some kind of width and all we need to give here. Okay, style, we will give maximum width here, 150 pixel. Okay, so and after that we are going to give float right. Okay, and display we are going to give inline block. So some kind of css you can work. Okay, or you can search net and can find the button as well from there. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. I'm going to check it out, and we'll see here. Now button seems to be fine, add category button. Okay, so now we will give the url to it, a route that we are going to create in our next step. Okay, so we are going to give the route like we are going to give here under admin add edit category. Okay, we are going to make it like add edit category. Okay, see here, see this one is add edit category, means this time you can see in basic ecom series we have either taken add category, we have created the routes for add category, we have made add category function, we will create edit category route, then we have created the edit category function and all, and separate route, separate function. But this time we are going to create one route, we are going to create one controller, and sorry, one function. We are going to create one route, one function. Okay, so common function and common route for both add edit category. Okay, only difference is in add edit category we will send it like this, and in the form of edit, if we are going to do edit, then we are going to send the id, we are going to send the id like id. If id is there, then we will send it like this, but not right now. Okay, this is for later. Okay, sorry, so just like this. Okay, so right now we will send it like this, and we'll create its route now. .php file, I'm going to create its route under categories. Okay, here I'm going to create its route. Okay, so we will add get post route both this time, match get post. Okay, so now we are going to mention add edit category. you can check out that admin come automatically from here. Prefix admin is prefix for all the routes, so it will come automatically. And we are using the namespace admin, so all controllers are in this admin folder that we have seen. Okay, so add edit category. So here, see, here it is not enough. See, now we will pass here id. We will pass here id as optional, so we will do it like this. We will pass here id as optional, so we will pass id then question mark. Okay, because id can come. If id will come, then it is the edit route. If id will not come, then it is the add route. Because if you are not sending id, then it will assume it as add edit add hyphen edit I hyphen category. If you are using this route only without id, then it means that you are going to add the category. If you are sending the id of that category, like if you will use that add hyphen edit hyphen category /1 or /2, whatever id is the of the category, then it will, then it will take it as edit category route. Okay, so that thing will work. Okay, so now after that, category controller, sorry, sorry, what is happening, category controller. And here after that, we are going to mention add edit category like this. Okay, so this one add edit category will come under category controller. So we are going to create this function under our category controller. So I'm going to open the category controller here, and here I am going to create one function, public function add edit category. Here it will come like $request. Okay, and see, we will pass id as null, because id can come, may come, or may not come, so that's why id is as null. Okay, if id is not coming, then we will assume that it is that admin is adding new category. If id is coming, then it means that admin is going to edit the category. Okay, so here inside this also we are going to mention it like this $id. If $id is not coming, if it is empty, then here title, we are going to give it like add category. Okay, and here then we are going to perform the function for add category functionality. We are going to perform. Okay, and if id is coming, okay, if some id is coming, then it means it is for edit category. Okay, title, we are going to mention it like edit category, and everything we will perform for edit category functionality. Okay, edit category functionality. Okay, like this. Okay, so now after this, finally we will return the view, and there in admin, under categories, we will add that add edit category form, add edit category forms. Then we are going to mention it like this, add edit category. Okay, and we are going to pass with compact, and we are going to pass the title, and for now, okay, only title we are going to pass. Okay, so now this add edit category blade file we are going to create under categories folder. So open your categories folder, htdocs, ecoms, resources, views, admin, categories. Under categories we are going to create our file. Okay, if you are in Windows, you can create by right clicking inside your folder and create notepad file and rename that file to addEdit category.blade.php file. Okay, but in Mac we used to create it like this, touch add underscore edit underscore category .blade.php file like this. Okay, so I will check inside this one, the file has been created. I am going to open this file, add edit category, and I will add the admin design to this file. We already know that admin design, how we can add extends. Okay, it must be inside layouts. Inside layouts it is admin layout folder. Okay, inside admin layout there is admin layout file, admin layout.blade.php file. Okay, so after this we will simply add section content. Okay, then end section. Okay, so now the main thing is the content of add edit category, because now we can't copy, we don't have the have the design right now, so we need to copy from the admin lte template in the similar way like we have copied the design for the table structure. See, table data, table structure, we have done the design. Okay, so now we will copy for uh, the for these categories as well. Okay, okay, so see, one thing is missing here in categories. That data table seems to be missing, that's why I am checking. See, you just need to open admin script and see admin. uh, okay, admin, that file name is our admin layout file. Okay, and here also give the data table for the categories as well. Okay, this we found, we missed this one, categories like this. Okay, so that data table kind of structure will come up here, and I will refresh. See here, now it seems to be fine. See, previous next is coming, search is coming here. Okay, you can even search. Okay, so it will work fine. Okay, so now we are going to create the add edit category form, and for form we need to search our admin lte template. Okay, so I am going to check up in my downloads folder that admin lte template. Okay, template folder, so that I can copy the structure from there. Okay, you open your admin lte template that we have downloaded in the beginning of the series. Okay, so here open that one, index.html, so that we can get the template here. So open in forms, you can check out that which kind of form. See here, the simple form is there, we will pick these test fields. Okay, these upload button and advanced as well. Okay, so we will add the select box, and this default, this one is also seems to be fine. We will add this layout as well, this appears to be fine. Okay, so we will use both advanced.html and this general.html that is located inside pages, then inside forms, then advanced.html. Okay, so you can go inside pages and then inside forms. Okay, then you can take help from general.html and advanced.html and can copy your form from there. Okay, we are going to do this right now. Okay, so I will take both these files, open these both files, general.html and advanced.html, so that we can take the help from both these files. Okay, so from advanced.html I am going to copy this structure, mm, that we have opened. Okay, this structure I am going to copy this one. I am going to check this one. This one, this main content, I am going to pick this main content. Okay, this one also, see, complete div content wrapper we can pick here. Okay, so yeah, complete div content wrapper we can pick. Okay, so I am going to pick this complete wrapper and will paste it here. So we are going to check that how it will look like. Going to click on this one and edit category. It is not displaying. We need to check once that where is the issue. Admin add edit category. We need to check whether it is coming here or not. Not coming. Check match at post, add edit category, category controller. Everything seems to be fine. Then add edit category. This is the function. Then it must work. Oh, wrong. See, I miss here, spelling mistake. Oh, silly mistake once again. Okay, so don't do that thing at your end. So many silly mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one now, and now we can check. See, add edit category form. See that complete form is coming here, but there is a kind of CSS issue. See here, it is not coming fine. CSS is not coming fine here like it is showing here. So we need to include one file here. Select to drop down they have given. You can see here, select to drop down. This one we need to give in our file, in our admin layout file. Okay, so this one we need to give. We will give under this bootstrap 4. Under bootstrap 4 we will give this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we will mention it like this. Plugins, and at the bottom also select 2. Under bootstrap 4. Okay, so you have added both JS and CSS, but one more thing to add here, that select to class, that select to jQuery script you need to add now. Okay, so that thing you need to add under script. Okay, so that thing also you must add after this one. This one you can add it like this. Okay, so now you can refresh and will find that if it is coming fine or not. Okay, now it is coming fine. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Now we will replace these fields with our fields that we require. Okay, we will use uh, our category fields like this one, category name, category image, discount and all we will give now. Okay, so we are going to have this one, and here also we need to mention catalogs, then add category form, all these kind of things also we need to mention here. Okay, so that thing we are going to do now. And see here we are going to mention catalogs coming the same way. We add edit, we are going to mention here catalogs, then categories, add category form, like this. Okay, now here first field will come like category name will come, but this one also we will mention. This one we will mention for that section we need to select. Okay, see, while adding the category, we need to add the section first. We need to select the section, like under which section we need to add under this category. Like these are the section, men, women and kids are the section. So we are adding now like t-shirts category we are adding, so t-shirts we need to add under section. So we will in add category form we are going to give under which section we are going to add the category. So here we will give the section, I mean select section we will give, and after that category name, and after that category level we are going to add. Like if you are not going to select the level, then it assume that you are going to in main level, then it will assume that it does not have any parent category, like I have explained earlier in last video. Okay, so this thing we will work on this thing. So here we are going to mention here we are going to mention section. Okay, so select section, and also these sections we can get in our category controllers in a simple way. We can get this section here as well. Okay, so you can simply get all section here. Here you can simply mention get section. It is okay. Then these sections you can send this section. Yeah, and we will also need to include section. Here we will mention first there is select. Okay, and here we are going to mention a little bit of for each. we are going to mention here section and the name of the section. I think we have given the name there. Okay, so we will give the name like this. Okay, okay, so we can refresh here and we'll see here select section has come up here. Okay, and here it will show okay, so it will be displayed here like this. Okay, see, you can check out, see these are coming and these are coming. Like if there are more section, search is really good and it is really helpful in category level where there are many categories and you want to choose from the categories. When you are going to add subcategory, then you want to choose from some upper category, then there are many upper categories, then it is really helpful such kind of. So that's why we have used this advanced select to drop down. Okay, so after section we are going to add the category name, but first of all we will add the category name. Section we will give to next step. Okay, so for category name we will copy the structure from uh, that simple form structure from here. Okay, this structure we are going to copy this one. So I'm going to inspect this one. I'm going to pick this structure I'm going to pick and we'll use it. Okay, so I'm going to replace this one. Group by this one. Okay, I want to add this one to this one and we'll add it here. Okay, so this one also not required. Now here I am going to add the category name. Here I will give it like category name and here test here, and here category name and enter category name. Okay, so I'm going to check once there. Here I'm going to check once. Okay, see here category name is coming fine. After that section is coming and here category level we will give here category level in the same way like we are given here. Okay, and so I am going to copy this form group and will paste this form group here and I am going to make it category level. Select category level and here by default we will take it like main category. Okay, and its value is 0 because it means that these categories does not have any parent ID. Okay, so here we will give its name as well, like we're going to give it like parent ID. This is the parent ID. Okay, and this is the section ID. Okay, we will give it name like section ID. We will pick section ID only. Okay, so this one is not required. This one we will call from Ajax later on in later videos. Okay, so main category. See what will happen when we will do that thing. See here see here what will happen. Like if you will select some section men, then after selecting men, all the category level will come based on these means based on the men. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can mention this section here and this level here, then it will look better. Okay, so I'm going to mention this one here and this one here in place of this one. Okay, we'll mention it like this and then refresh. Now you can check, see category name. First he will fill category name, after that he will fill the section men, and when he will select men, then all the categories belong to this section will come here in this drop down. Okay, if you will select women, then all the categories belong to women will come up here with the help of ajax. Okay, so that thing we will do in later videos, but right now we will just make one category like main category. Like if you are adding t-shirts, main categories like t-shirts, denims, okay, then you just need to add here main category, because it does not have any upper category, it does not have any parent. Okay, so after that we are going to add here category image field, and category image field also we are going to copy from here this field. I am going to pick this field for category image. Okay, so here I am going to replace this div form group with that one. This one is not required. Okay, so here I am going to mention category image. After category image we are going to add category discount. In the same way, category discount and URL we will mention first category discount and then URL, like we have done for category name. So I'm just going to copy this one. This one we can remove. H5 tag also not required. So here I want to replace this one. See, after category discount I'm going to mention copy this, sorry, only that form group need to copy. Like this, and this one is for category URL. Let's check once. See here category name, section, level, image, category discount and category URL. Okay, so that seems to be coming fine. Okay, but we can do one thing. I will copy this one and will paste it here as well. URL, and after that again category URL, and this one I can remove. Okay, so see here category discount, category URL, but I'm going to mention here category. After this category discount I'm going to mention here that meta title, meta description and description also. Okay, description, category description. Okay, so I'm going to mention here category description. I'm going to check here in description, category description is coming up here. Okay, fine. And here I am going to mention the test area, and test area we are going to find this one. This one is fine. This test area I'm going to take this one. Okay, so only okay, HTML. Okay, so this test area we are going to use, so just need to replace this one, and uh, this one is fine. Okay, so I'm going to check here. Category description seems to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to add such kind of test area here also, for category, for meta title, and once again I'm going to copy this one, then meta description, and meta keywords, and rest everything we are going to remove. Okay, yes, one button is required that we can give here. In card footer we can give one button. Here we can give one simple button uh, type submit class button. We will give some bootstrap button primary, like this. Okay, here we can submit. Okay, and rest everything we can remove, that is not required at all. Okay, we can remove all this. Okay, so now I hope and all this we can remove. Okay, now we can check once. See, our form is ready now, but only thing meta description and meta keywords. So we need to do one thing here. We need to do it like this, and here see here, uh, meta description, and after that meta keywords. Okay, we can mention it like this. Okay, so here test area will also require for meta description, so some kind of formatting you need to do, and now you can see it seems to be perfect. Okay, category name, section, category level, category image, category discount, category UL, category description, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Okay, so our add category form is ready, and in next video we are going to add this category. We are going to work on add category functionality, and we'll add the category here in our categories table. Okay, so that thing we will do in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Have a nice time. Goodbye.